Hello, Allison here. I finally get to film a very chill study vlog. There wasn't anything big that was due this week, but I still had a lot of lectures to catch up on and work to finish. But it's relatively chill compared to my other experiences, if I do say so myself. But yeah, I just had to study a little and I decided to vlog that. So I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah. Bye. After discussion, I went to eat lunch, and then after that I went to Powell Library to do some more work. I had a lot to do, as you can see, but I focused on getting some of my remote work done first. I haven't talked at all in this vlog, but I just finished working a little bit at Powell and I'm heading to my data club right now, and supposedly they're giving out free bobas and cookies today, so very excited. I woke up way later than I wanted to. I don't know why. Well, I know why, because I am in massive sleep debt and I am still so tired. I have class in a bit, so I'm going to go on campus. I might go to Jimmy's and get coffee and a pastry for breakfast. I have a few classes back to back before I can actually sit down and work on catching up on lectures and everything. But yesterday I was able to finish my work in time. My priority yesterday was being on top of my remote work because I wasn't able to do as much over the weekend, but now I need to start catching up on my lectures. I think I have a quiz next week and I am not prepared for it. I also do have a homework due this Saturday and I am only halfway done, so I have to start doing that. Anyways, let's go get coffee because I am very hungry. I am at the library right now and I have like 40 minutes before I have to go to my film discussion, but I'm going to start catching up on my lecture that I missed on Monday first for my math class. Wish me luck. Also, I've been wearing my new headphones a lot recently. I still have my AirPods, but I use them mostly for like when I'm walking to class or if I'm working out. These are so nice. These are the Sony 720s. I'm in navy blue because I love blue. My phone is blue. Everything else is blue, but these are my new headphones. hot sun, right? I got my jasmine milk tea. And I finally finished one lecture. Nothing done today. Nothing. I watched like 2 lectures, but I still have so many more to go. It is Thursday and I finished lunch after my morning film class, and now I'm heading back on campus to go study with my friends because I have a club meeting on campus too at 6. I was able to start catching up on some lectures yesterday night, but I still have some more to do, plus a homework due on the weekend. I probably need to finish that homework first before continuing catching up. So delicious. Hi. Good morning. This day I woke up really early because on Thursday I decided to sleep early and try my best to correct my sleep schedule. So I ended up waking up at around 7 or 8 a.m. and then I headed over to get some breakfast, and I just stayed at Anderson to finish up my homework assignment as well as attend the office hours for the class. I rarely wake up this early, so it was nice just being productive in the morning before class started in the afternoon. I was able to get a bunch of things done, and then I headed over to my math class. I am going to dinner now. I basically just studied and worked all day. It was the same thing, so I didn't film that much, but now we're going to Century City to eat ramen.